Hello guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. What is the time in your country? So welcome back to today's video. I really want to say so sorry for not posting videos for you or for some good days. Since Sunday I did not post a video for you. For reason why is because we had no electricity this side. Our posters for that are connecting electricity to our place, the rain, since it rained, the two posts actually fall down, so they were all down since Sunday, and they told us to keep on waiting. I'm really so sorry. Meanwhile, today's video actually is all about how to get rid of blackheads, okay, on your nose. So I really so sorry. I do apologize. I really apologize deep down in my heart. I'm so sorry, because even charging phones was really hard. We have to go and look for a place where we can charge the phones, and also they ask for the payment. Imagine, from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, till yesterday, Thursday. Till yesterday, that's when now they came and they put those posts well, and then that's when we got electricity. Actually got back electricity around 1. Yeah. And all thanks be to God. But otherwise, life was really hard. It is really, really hard to be in the house, to stay in the house without electricity. Even really bearing the darkness in the house is really bad. I really apologize. I am so sorry. So sorry. So welcome back to today's video, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and share, like, and comment. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. I really apologize for those ones who are still with me, who want to walk with me this journey. I really appreciate. And for those ones also who are unsubscribing from my YouTube channel, no problem. I can't force you to do what you don't want. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best way to get rid of uh, blackheads. Blackheads are things that we find on our nose. Like, let me squeeze it for you. You can see that. You can see the white blackheads. They are actually doo-doo. Yeah, they are doo-doo. You see? You see? You see that? You see that white thing? Hmm? If you squeeze your nose, you'll find that. Not even on your nose. Even they normally be here. For those ones who don't know how to bathe well, and you scrub down your mouth very well here, they are normally even here. So to get rid of them and make them disappear, not to come back again, I'm going to show you what I normally use. Yeah, I actually started using this of recent, and now I'm finding my nose is very smooth, because these blackheads are really funny. You find that sometimes they can even disappoint you when you wear makeup. You find that when you sweat, they still coming, they still come out, penetrate on the makeup, and you find you're just like that. And then the day when you wake up, most especially, I noticed that on weekend when I wake up, I first start doing the work without brushing my teeth, things like that, without washing my face. But then, the time when I'm going to wash my face, you will find these white things here, black things here. So I use Colgate. Yes, Sensodyne. You can use any Colgate of your choice. And then what you need is a brush. Just as simple as that. This is a very simple ingredients that you can use even here. I'm going to show you next time how to get rid of these ones. All you just have to do is get your small Colgate and then put it on your nose. Oh my god, it's bitter. It's entering in my eyes. Like that. Yeah, like that. Put small in your brush, like that. Eh, where don't worry about what is going to happen in your eyes. It is like that. So you're going to brush your nose a little bit. Take your time, a little. Take your time, take your time, take your time. Brush it little. Be careful with your eyes, like that. And then we are going to leave it dry, and then we remove it. Okay, we just rinse it off. So for those ones who are asking why Colgate, you know, Colgate is used in so many things, most even in hospitals, even at homes. That's why it is actually brought as a brushing teeth agent, like whitening the teeth agent. Okay, and also Colgate is used in burns, like maybe you have been cooking and maybe the hot water has burnt you, or maybe the food has burnt you, or the cooking oil has burnt you, and then you just grab your Colgate, smear that part where that thing anything that thing has burnt you, or it has burnt you, smear the Colgate there, leave it for 15 minutes. That Colgate is going to get that pain off it, and then it's not going to leave any wound on it. You see the marks that maybe your baby has been burnt long time ago when the baby was still small, and until the baby has grown up, still with the mark. If you use the Colgate, yes, if you use the Colgate to put on that wound at that very time that you're burnt, it will not leave the mark. It will just clean all that completely. Okay, it will dry it off completely. Even it will not leave the water burnt like that. When you're burnt, you feel like there's the water on top that has come, and then when you're going to burst it off, it's going to leave the wound. If you use the Colgate, it's not going to leave any water on it. Okay, trust me, that is what I use when I'm burnt. I even used it on my son. I remember one day I was cooking, then the time when I was serving food, uh the plate fell down, and then all that rice went on my baby's leg. So I used the Colgate that very time. Okay, though the Colgate will suck all the pain, you'll feel that pain, but later on it will not leave any mark on it. Trust me, try it out and it will work for you. Okay, let's leave this to dry, and then I'll come back and show you the results. Okay, so we are back. So you can see it is dry. You can see it is dry. It's not even sticking on my finger. It's dry. So I forgot to tell you the brush that you're supposed to use. You have to use a brush that you're not using for brushing your teeth. Okay, a free brush that you have, or if you don't have, you buy, and then you'll be using it, because you're not going to actually do this process for once only, then you stop it. I can recommend you start using it 2 times a week. Make sure you don't miss it out, you for a better results. You know, there are so many people who have those things, many things on their nose, things like that, and then when you're putting the Colgate, you make sure you brush it. Okay, you use the brush at least to scrub your nose a little bit, so that will help you press those blackheads out. So when it is dry, I have my wet cloth here, wet cloth. It's wet, yeah, so I'm going to use it and wipe it off. But also, if you don't have a wet cloth, you can just go to the bathroom and just rinse it off. Okay, but if you have a wet cloth, it's very easy and simple, as you can see, just like that. As simple as that. Yeah, I can feel now my nose is very tight. You can see, I feel it's tight. Yeah, it's very tight. So let me show you whether it can come out those white things again. You can see it's not coming out when you press it. Yeah, it's not coming out. You see, nothing is coming out. Nothing is coming out. So Colgate helps to actually dry, at least reduce them, not to be too much on your nose, because when it is too much, actually also sometimes it will bring bacteria and you start actually seeing things crashing your nose, things like that. So Colgate is good. So I can recommend you use Colgate, any type of Colgate that you have, to get rid of blackheads. Yeah, anywhere, anyhow, pimples, things like that, Colgate works. Trust me, it works. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much. I will see you on my next video. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. Bye bye.